Good morning. Today I would like to tell about the Labubu. The curious tale about Labubu rise to fame. Once upon a time, in a quiet little workshop, deep in the heart of a bustling city, an artist named Kissing Long dreamed of creating a world filled with mischievous, magical creature. Among them was a small, fluffy, wide-eyed character with a kiki grin, Labubu. At first, Labubu was just a sketch on paper, known only to a few loyal collectors of Kissing Lung's art, but the sometime about the kooky creature was different. It was not cute in the usual way. It had sharp teeth, wild expression, and a personality that screamed that I am not ordinary. If you can see here, see this will can move 360 angle. See the hand, you can see the legs, it will move 360 angle. So like that he create this Labubu. One more thing about the Labubu. One day limited edition Labubu figure was released in collaboration with POP MART, a company famous for blind box toys. Fans rushed to get their hands on one, but the stock vanished in a minute. Soon social media was flooded with the photo of Labubu in all sorts of costumes: astronaut, mermaid, detective, even vampire. Collector loved the thrill of mystery. Which Labubu I will get? Each unboxing video became a mini celebration, and TikTok and Instagram reel with the today Labubu is just a character. It's a global phenomenon from the Asia to America. Collector proudly showcase their shelves full of Labubus, each one telling a different story. And I think it's a begin with a different story. Each one telling a different story, and think it's all begin with a little creature and a big dream. I would like to say sometimes the most usual idea create most magical trends. So most important question is, why did people fall in love with Labubu? Perhaps it is a unpredictability, it's a playful mischief, or maybe it was just the joy of being part of a community where everyone shared the same excitement. For many, Labubu was not just a toy, it was a symbol of fun, creativity, and a nostalgia of childhoods. So here I would like to end this video about Labubu. If you want to know more about that, please write the comment and subscribe me, so the people will follow and they will also get the same information about this what you're getting now. Thank you very much.